Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, it's just this ho. This video is actually edited by me. Remember when I used to edit my own videos and they were horrible? Yeah. Because this was a spur of the moment thing, and my guy, hi Swan, he needs at least 2 days to turn it around. So this is less than 24 hours me recording and you seeing this. So girl, it's all me, and apologies in advance. But anyhow, today is an unboxing. I gotta say I was doing real good for a while there, for a few weeks. We were tempted, but I didn't buy anything, and now I'm like, oh my god, I gotta have that. Let's switch it. Oh god. So I am doing this video in cooperation and collaboration with, that was kind of cool to say, Eva of Fuchsia Floyd's channel. I will link her video down below. When you get in my box and roll around, you will find her right at the top. Ooh, yes, girl, and I'm not gonna touch that, don't worry. What did we get? We both decided to get the Pink Ugg and Telfar drop, which happened, I want to say, last Tuesday. Girl. So I bought two of them, and I know they're the same bag, but when I bought this bag from Ugg and Telfar, you notice the tags are still on it because I'm not crazy about it. It's the straps for me, girl. It's the strap on. I can't deal with, it's too short to crossbody, and I feel like this one's tiny enough to crossbody, but I can't do it. It's just a shoulder moment. So I am going to, you can't really return. It says no returns. So like when you buy it from the drops, girl, they're yours. So if anybody is interested in buying this just for what I paid with shipping, tax and shipping, it's yours. Let me know. My email is winnieblv@gmail.com. Okay, now, same situation on these. Whichever one I think is best suited for me is the one that I'm going to go with and keep. And the other one I am going to offer to you guys, or I will put it on a selling site or offer it to Fashion File. I don't even know. But I can't return it. But I wanted to see, because I didn't know when I got this one. I'd never had one or never seen one, so I didn't know. And so I didn't want to be like this again, like, should I get this size or that? Girl. Jessie Style was saying the other day in one of her videos that she, and she tagged me in the video, I think it's a tag video too. But anyhow, where she was going, what her favorite travel bags were. And one of hers was a Telfar bag, okay? So yes, I took that to heart, and I thought, I really love Ugg. I really love the Telfar look. I don't really have anything in Telfar except for that little bitty. So I'm going to try the medium out first. Let's just see. The box is huge, girl. Ooh, girl, my box is huge. No, it's not. Let's scratch that. Don't. But anyhow, let's get into this one. This is the medium size, okay? And unfortunately, if whoever buys this, whatever, which one I don't love, it's not going to come as freshly packed as this, because I got to take it out to see what the verdict is, girl. How I feel. Okay. First impressions. She's looking good. Very pink. I have the exact... Why this spoke to me this time is because I have this exact same color. I should have brought them in here. I didn't even bring my bag of the day or anything. I can tell you my scent of the day is a replica Maison Margiela. It's Coffee Break. I'm having a love affair with that one again. I love it. But anyhow, neither here nor there. I do have a pair of Uggs, exactly this same exact pink. So I don't know, this spoke to me real hard. And you know that I've been going back to work on site, and I've been carrying all my stuff, schlepping it in, schlepping it out. It's hell. But I need something huge. Girl, don't we all? Those are words. Let's write this down on this day. Yes, we all need something huge, but I do need something huge in more ways than one, but in bags for sure. because I have to carry all kinds of stuff, as you know, as everybody does. I mean, I'm not the only one. So you're packing up your whole life at work now. You know, used to work was the place where you had your own cubicle and you could go in and decorate and put your pictures up and it was your space. You had a key to your own desk and yada yada. Those days are gone, beesh, and no more. Ain't nobody sitting in no. They have a big thing of the alcohol sanitizer and a big thing of Lysol wipes at everybody's desk. So everybody can sit anywhere all the time if it's available. But, so yeah, for that reason, I pack up my life. I do like this as a travel bag too. This is the medium. I feel like this is the one I'm going to go with. Remember I bought that big, where the hell is it? I bought that big, huge Lips bag. I'm going to sell that too from Coach. Because it's just huge. I can't even carry that to travel with. Normally I travel with a Burberry backpack. When I do that tag, I'll show you that. But anyhow, this bag, it looks amazing. I don't even think I have to unpack the large one because it looks too big. Oh my gosh, girl. I wouldn't crossbody it though. It would just be a shoulder moment. Yes. And the shoulder moment is... she's everything I love. Okay. Girl, what do you guys think? Should I do an autumn spin? Do I have enough room with this big honker? Oh, she does. She always does. Okay, you ready? Here's the bottom. Okay, so very no muss, no fuss on this bag. I like it. I do love this one way better than the tiny. It's got a nice little detail of the Telfar logo for the pull, the zipper pull. It's kind of a canvasy, yeah, it's a canvas. It kind of shows up a little bit purple almost. It's so pink, it's almost purple, really. But, you know, neither here nor there. It comes with the Ugg and Telfar. That's nice. Oh, this dust bag is everything. Why do we care about dust bags? What, I mean, no one... I don't know many people except purse people. Like, we're purse people, right? We're the ones that are like, oh God, the dust bag. But most people are like, oh, the purse, remember the bag? No, it's the dust bag for me, yeah. I kind of feel slighted. I know Cammy does too, because remember she got that one bag and it didn't have one and she was like, oh, hell no. You're getting me this dust bag. And every time she called, they said, well, we'll give you another $100 off. We'll give you another. And then finally the store, the actual brand store, sent her one. I think it was Jimmy Choo. But anyhow, yeah, I feel like that. I feel like, no, girl, I paid for that dust. You better, we need it. Do I ever store, look, do you see anything in it? No. So why? Because you know I resell, and when I resell, that's an extra added bonus. That's it. That's what it is. But no, we love to see a dust bag. We love a dust bag around here, girl. So yeah, it's very huge. I'll have to do a what fits later. But I think the medium is the one for me. I don't think I want much bigger than this. You'll never hear me say that again. But yeah, I'm actually going to go ahead and keep this one. I will show you the large size. That's what he said. Every weekend. I don't know. Husbands are funny though, right? You say anything, that's where I get it. Bill is like me too. We're exactly the same. He's always like, hey, look over here. Hey, oh, you know, you say anything. Oh, I got something you could, you know what I mean? So, and now I am too. So, well, I've always been, you know me. She never misses a sexual innuendo. Never! And those of you that like that, God, you're my people too. But this is, no. This mother effer is huge. I'm not even going to remove it from the bag this time. I just know that she's not the mother effer one. This bitch is huge, oh. I mean, Look at this. So let me compare it to the one that I do love. Why did I order? I don't know. She was just feeling like, oh yeah, I'll just sell the other one. But here's the, see, they're so big you can't even get them in the shot. Oh my God, innuendos everywhere today. But yeah, here's the two. God, this sucker is, she's massive. Okay, so yeah, the big one, I'm just going to tell you, it looks just like this, only it's huge. If you are interested and you missed out, I don't know, they might still be available on the site. Sometimes the ones that don't, you know, sell, they don't sell right off and you can scoop it up. I think I checked a couple days ago and it was still available. So the great big one, but if for some reason the great big one sells out and you want it, I have it for you. It will be the first person that emails me on either one of these. This was in the $200 and some odd range. I think this one, oh no, I'm sure. This one was $420, so it'd be $420 plus tax and ship if you would like it. Just let me know. I'm not trying to make any money. I'm just trying to get rid of it. So yeah, I'm very happy with this actual purchase. I'm going to put my stuff in it because, I mean, there's not much left of winter, right? We're heading into March, so I feel like this is a primarily winter bag. But I am going to wear it with my boots because it's kind of cold and rainy. Well, I won't wear my Ugg boots and this in the rain. But cold, dreary weather without, you know, moisture. Without it being moist. Do people hate that word? I don't know. I don't care about it. All right, so there we go. We found a hit, a mother effing hit. Yes, thank you to Eva of Fuchsia Floyd. I have babbled on way too long. And I keep doing this. I'm going to tell you why I keep checking my stuff in just a second. But first, go down to my box, roll around, see if there's anything down there that you want to check out. I have links. I always have links to everything that I like. I have my magic link obsessed with everything that I've ever linked on. Magic links will be down there. Fashion file usually. How to get Forever Roses. Oh my gosh, Teddy Blake is down there. What else? Ideal jewelry. I mean, everything. SINBONO, everything, girl. Linked down in my box. So if you ever need a link for any of that stuff, she's got you. She's got you right here. Things I do say all the time. And listen, if you'll do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. That helps that algorithm, the elusive algorithm. And it also helps if you subscribe. That way you'll know when I post some content that you might want to be able to see and enjoy and have fun, and we'll laugh together. We're going to do a live tomorrow. And then Wednesday, I'm just going to do a tag video, but it'll be a good one. I promise. I don't know which one. I got a couple I'm behind on. Ooh, that's what she said. And anyway, if y'all see my husband though, girl, ooh, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, this whole video, I've been waiting for the other boob to fall. I swear to God. Because I bought those bunny rabbit looking things, you know, that like are round with the sticky gel and they pull up your boobs, which since I had my breast reduction, yes, they're good, but I never wear a bra. So I'm over here like Gloria Estefan, like the gravity's gonna get ya, the gravity's gonna get ya, the gravity's gonna get them tonight. You know what I mean? Like, like gravity is pulling them down to where they used to live, way down here. So I thought I would buy some of these because I tried them. They're from Amazon. I tried them on an Amazon haul way back when, before my breast reduction, and I tell you what, it was like putting a watermelon, trying to hold a watermelon with that sticky stuff. I would get it up there and then boom, it would fall immediately. I think one of them, like my left one was smaller, one of them would hold, but then the other, girl, it was a nightmare. But then I don't know what I did with those. I probably threw them out. I couldn't find them. So I ordered them again, and they do work, but I swear to God, I'm sitting here waiting for, you know, the other boob to drop. Seriously. Bitch, you just never know when one of them are going to cut loose and let go. I mean, the gravity. Oh, see, there it went. I knew it, bitch. I got to fix my boob. Bye.